In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Namecheap account. Namecheap is a popular domain and hosting service, and knowing how to access your account is crucial for managing your online presence. So let's dive right in and take a look at how to log in effectively. First, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser. This could be Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you regularly use. Once open, navigate to the Namecheap website by typing in the URL namecheap.com. Enter that address into your browser's address bar, hit enter, and wait for the homepage to load. Now that the Namecheap homepage is in front of you, focus your attention on the easiest way to find the login area. Usually this is located in the top right corner of the screen. Look for the login link or button. It is often highlighted in some way, perhaps with a distinct color or style, so it should be fairly easy to spot. Click on it to proceed. Once the login page opens, you'll see a form that asks for your login credentials. Enter your Namecheap username and password carefully to ensure everything is correct and free from typos. It's important to remind yourself of password safety. Avoid using easily guessable passwords, and if you need to remember it, consider using a password manager which keeps your online accounts safe and secure. Now that your credentials are entered, take a quick moment to double check them for accuracy. If everything is correctly input, go ahead and click the login button. With a successful login, you'll be redirected to your dashboard. This is a hub where you can manage all your domains, view your hosting plans, access various other services, and tweak settings according to your needs. Navigating through the Namecheap dashboard can be straightforward once you're familiar with its layout, but for now, with our focus on logging in, let us remind ourselves how to log out safely. When you're ready to end your session, find the sign out option, usually in a menu related to your account or profile details. Clicking this will ensure you are securely logged out. In case you've forgotten your username or password, don't worry. Namecheap offers a forgot username or password link right there on the login page. Clicking this will take you through the steps necessary to recover your account information. And there you have it, a simple, straightforward way to log in and out of your Namecheap account, as well as steps to recover your login details if needed. Whether you're managing one domain or 50, understanding your Namecheap account is essential. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and guides.